How to attach PDF portfolio on Behance. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then search for Behance Behance website. Now, open your website and then log into your account. After that, over here you will see an option Share Your Work. And right over here you will see another option Attach Assets. Click on it and then go to Choose File. All you have to do is enter your PDF document and open it. And simply select Done. And now it will be attached to your portfolio. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.